Bro, one of the surefire ways for a relationship to last is by you just worrying about yourself. I know it sounds kind of selfish, and I don't mean it in any type of nonchalant, one worded reply, oh yeah, type shit way. Like, no, I don't mean that. I mean that you cannot control the other person in their thoughts, in their actions, in what they do when you're not around. So, all you can do is just worry about yourself. Like, dude, just worry about yourself. Take care of yourself. Show up when you need to show up. Be present when the other person is talking, bro. Like, worry about yourself. Like in every relationship, you guys tell each other's boundaries and expectations of each other. And if those are broken, if your girl goes out in mini skirts and talking to other guys, if your girl does this or that, stuff that you explicitly told her that you don't like, stuff that you told her that this is crossing the line, you should leave. That's how you definitely make a relationship last. When you start worrying about yourself, when you start respecting yourself, because, bro, a partner at the end of the day is a helper. Like, literally, if we open the Bible, right, after God gave Adam everything, like the Garden of Eden, dominion over earth, he decided that, hey, Adam needs a partner, an addition to his life, a helper. And that's what a partner should be to you. A partner shouldn't be a new toy that you or a new thing that you should try to control and mold and help and like augment in every way. Like, you shouldn't try to control another person. That's a waste of time, because like if you've ever tried to give another person advice and like you know the outcome, the only way a person is going to change if they come to that conclusion by themselves. If you give them advice, they will take it, they will listen, but experience is the best teacher. And that is the same way you should think about relationships, bro. You will never ever change a person, whether you love them and they love you. Like, bro, a person is still a person at the end of the day. So you just need to worry about yourself. Like, start caring about you more, bro. Stop trying to worry about what that other person is doing, why she's not texting you back, why she's being dry or whatever. Like, dog, if she just crosses a boundary or doesn't meet the expectations that you gave them, that you told them, like, okay, this is what I want from this relationship, this is something that I don't like, leave. Because you respect yourself, because you want a relationship to last. So please, worry about yourself, not the other person. Care about yourself and not the other person. I know this sounds like kind of weird, like, oh, shouldn't I be like, yeah, you should care about them, yeah, you should like them, yeah, you should love them, but you need to care about yourself more, because the more you give into you, the more you improve, the more you become a better human being, automatically your partner's life becomes better, because you guys are intimately intertwined, maybe physically and even spiritually on some levels, if you guys had sex before. So worry about yourself, improve yourself, stop trying to control them, stop overthinking about what they're doing since they're not replying to your messages or whatever. Like, bro, just chill the fuck out, worry about yourself, and live your life. Become the best version of yourself. Work towards your dream, or live your best life that you're living to the fullest extent. Okay? Because a partner that loves you would never ever cross your boundaries. A partner that cares about you will help you become better. Like, a partner would love you unconditionally. So please implement this into your life. Goodbye.